Obiskujva osnovno šolo Mirna Peč, ki sodeluje v projektu Molekula meseca.
V mesecu februarju predstavljamo molekulo vode.
V tem videu vam bomo predstavili vse o njej.
Pa začnimo. Formula vode je H2O.
Kemijska reakcija vode poteče, ko se združita vodik ter kisik.
Dva vodika se s polarnimi kovalentnimi vezmi pripenjata na kisik.
Zdaj bomo določili pH vrednost deževnice in vodovodne vode.
Najprej pa bomo pripravili vse, kar potrebujeva.
Today is gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart is out. I'm sure you've heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads we have to walk are winding, and all the lights that lead us there are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. Because maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. Today was gonna be the day, but they'll never throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you're not to do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads that lead you there were winding, and all the lights that light the way are blinding.
Reke, potoki in podtalnice se zlivajo v morje. Tam se voda počasi zaradi sončne toplote spremeni v plinasto stanje. Seveda se lahko tudi v lužah in jezerih. Nato se vodni hlapi dvigajo v nebo. Tam se kondenzirajo, kar pomeni, da se iz plinastega stanja spremenijo v tekoče in zopet v obliki dežnih kapljic ali snežink padajo na zemljo. Padajo v reke, potoke, luže, jezera, mlake, morja in tako naprej.
Bolečino pijemo, skozi dno se vidi svet, lepota je skrita v nas, vse navidezno je laž, sjaj in beda, drek, zlato, v žepih ni to, kar imaš, pripada ti le to, kar na srečo zaigraš. Zaigraj. Pusti, naj te nosi voda. Para, 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 parararararara. Pusti, naj te nosi voda. Da si odkrit, streljaj ravno v oči, poljubi roko bližnjega, da bi videl, če še znaš, tam, kjer si ustavil film, tam, kjer ostali so ljudje.